Hi there, students. Bleary, an adjective. Blearily, the adverb. And I guess bleary-eyed, this is a really common collocation. Let's see, you know when somebody wakes you up really early in the morning, yeah, and you look at them bleary-eyed. Yeah, you just don't know really where you are. Well, this is bleary. Tired, having your senses dulled by sleep. Yeah, if you've got bleary eyes, your eyes are red or you've got tears in them and you can't see clearly because you're really tired or you've just woken up. I looked at him blearily. Yeah, the bleary haze that I could see, I couldn't make head or tail of it. Let's see, this word is related to blurred. Everything's blurred because of you feel so sleepy. Yeah, so bleary-eyed. Yeah, you can't see very well because you're still half asleep. Yeah, I was bleary until I'd had my coffee. Yeah, or I was so tired because I'd been working all night and I was bleary, just very tired. Bleary walkers arrived having walked 20 miles in the hot sun. So bleary, indistinct, unclear. Yeah, and because either there are tears in your eyes or because you're tired. To me, bleary, this is when you wake up in the morning and you just don't want to get up because you're just not awake. Yeah, the world was bleary. Yeah, it was vaguely outlined. It was indistinct. I guess there was a heat haze across the horizon and everything I could see was bleary. You could use it like that as well, just meaning indistinct. But normally you're bleary-eyed because you're just so sleepy. You're just not able to see clearly. Yeah, I was bleary with sleep. Yeah, because I hadn't slept well. Yeah, I blearily made my coffee. Yeah, it's quite a good word. So, yeah, everything's blurry. Your mind's just hasn't woken up yet. Yeah, so maybe bleary. Your mind is just stopped because you're so sleepy or you're so tired. Yeah. Okay, and this is the idea of bleary. It's quite a good adjective. I think I would give it, I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. It's a touch on the formal side, but I think use it anywhere. Yeah, sounds maybe a fraction literary, but it's still okay. Yeah, I have a bleary understanding of this, a vague understanding. So you could use it as a synonym of vague as well. So I guess bleary, dim, blurred, foggy, murky, fuzzy, hazy, exhausted, fatigued, run down, worn out, cloudy, dim, fuzzy, indefinite. Those are probably some good synonyms for bleary. Yeah, so 5.5 in formality, and then as to origin, it comes from Middle English bleary, which meant I think blear or blur. Yeah, so something that's blurred, you can't see properly. Related to the German word Blair, or Blery, I don't know, meaning double vision. Yeah, and related to blur as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bleary, Blearily.